This is going to be a really quick video, but I want to share the best print my 3D printer has printed. And I'm talking about that I have the Neptune 3 Max. It's a huge printer. This only printed at once without a lot of supports. To be honest, I wanted to print it a dinosaur. I was looking for a T-Rex. And just looking around, I found, I think, the perfect model of a Triceratops. If you have been following or have seen some of my videos, I also do some clay sculpture. And I created a Triceratops with clay that I really love it. And it made me think, I need to print also more dinosaurs. So I love that that I was able to find this model. I'm gonna put in the description just to share. If you want to print your own, I saw a dad and his daughter created a giant Triceratops skull. He was with this same model, and I think it was for a gallery or something like that. But it was huge. I wish I had the time and the space where to put something like that, but because I don't, I printed this one, and I'm gonna show you this. The actual print is not that huge, but I still love it. You can see how it is. And someday I want to share, I printed this Triceratops with glow-in-the-dark filament. I was a little bit skeptical because I saw a lot of YouTube videos saying that filament with certain effects, and I saw specifically glow-in-the-dark, can give you a lot of issues, that you need to change the settings, that maybe you will spend a lot of the roll just testing, and that could be a nightmare. To be honest, I didn't have to do anything. And I was a little bit confused because I know when I print in resin, I know you have to really change settings. When you have resin that is really clear, it's not gonna be the same one than a dark one. In here, I did the same setting, then printing with my black filament or my blue filament, it was the same. So, and I didn't have any issue whatsoever. I don't know exactly if they had a bad roll or just my printer did it. I cannot say it that good because right now it's giving me problems and it doesn't want me to keep printing. It's actually only printing in a small version of that same printer, the Neptune 3 Pro, and I'm loving it, but the big one is giving me well, the point is that it turned out really well. I'm going to show you in a moment how really it glow in the dark. It's not as intense as I would love to, but I'm not gonna paint because I want to keep that glow in the dark effect. But comment below if you want to see older dinosaur, and maybe I can show you a technique to paint it and look like it was bone. I'm gonna put this filament in the description, but if you don't want to use it, you can just print it with white filament. Another thing that I had to say is, was a little bit scared. I dropped this a couple times, not because I wanted to, and I'm surprised that it survived. I have resin 3D prints that I drop them and they explode. This one is doesn't have anything inside. I printed with two walls, nothing with the infill, or is the lighting, but it's like having nothing. And it was strong enough. If you print, don't try that at home because it may break. I'm just saying, I'm surprised that the one didn't do that. So subscribe if you want to see more projects. Enjoy art, enjoy 3D printing, and see you next time.